The moon has been Earth's faithful companion for more than 4 billion years. In fact, it's slowly moving away from us every year. But what if that process somehow reversed? What if our closest neighbor began falling toward Earth? The collision wouldn't happen overnight, but long before impact, our planet would already be fighting for survival. Right now, the moon sits about 384,000 kilometers away, quietly controlling our tides and helping stabilize Earth's rotation. Now, imagine something impossible happens. The moon begins spiraling toward Earth instead of drifting away. At first, nothing dramatic would happen. The moon would simply grow larger in the sky with every passing month. Its gravity would pull harder on our planet. The first victims wouldn't be cities. They would be the oceans. The moon already creates most of Earth's tides. As it moved closer, those tides would grow larger and more destructive. Coastal flooding would become routine. Storm surges would reach farther inland, forcing entire communities to retreat. But the oceans wouldn't be the only things responding. Earth itself would begin stretching under the moon's increasing gravitational pull. The crust could experience greater tidal stress, increasing earthquakes and volcanic activity around the globe. Every day would become more dangerous than the last. But the most dramatic change wouldn't happen on Earth. It would happen to the moon itself. The moon would eventually reach one of the most important boundaries in planetary science, the Roche limit. Inside this distance, Earth's gravity could overcome the moon's own gravity. Instead of remaining whole, the moon might begin breaking apart. Gigantic pieces of rock would spread into orbit, forming a spectacular, but deadly, ring around Earth. At first, those rings would be breathtaking, but they wouldn't stay there forever. Countless fragments would spiral into Earth's atmosphere. Meteor storms would become almost constant. The skies would glow almost every night as impacts battered the surface below. Eventually, the largest remaining fragments would collide with Earth. The energy released would dwarf every asteroid impact in our planet's history. Much of Earth's crust would melt. Oceans would boil. The atmosphere would fill with vaporized rock and superheated gases. Surface life would have almost no chance of surviving. Yet Earth itself wouldn't be destroyed. The planet would remain intact, forever changed by one of the greatest collisions since its formation. Over millions of years, Earth could gradually cool and stabilize again. A new chapter in the planet's history might eventually begin. Ironically, scientists believe our moon was probably born from a giant impact with the early Earth billions of years ago. This thought experiment imagines that story ending where it began. Fortunately, there's good news. The moon isn't falling toward Earth. It's actually moving away by about 3.8 centimeters every year, making this scenario extraordinarily unlikely under known physics. Gravity doesn't just determine whether planets collide. It shapes everything that happens long before the impact ever occurs. Our faithful companion is drifting away, not falling toward us. And that's something we can all be grateful for. Which would be more terrifying, the giant tides, the moon breaking into rings around Earth, or the final collision itself? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based what-if science adventures.